Story. The cat and the crocodile. By a river in a dense jungle lived a clever cat named Mina. In the river lived a powerful, arrogant crocodile named Ghapos who wanted to eat her. One day, as Mina fished, Ghapos tried to snatch her, but she quickly climbed a tree. Enraged, he vowed to eat her someday. Mina taunted him, "You are strong, but I am more powerful. I can throw you across the river with one swipe." Amused, Ghapos accepted a bet. If she succeeded, he would leave her alone forever. If she failed, she would be his meal. Mina told him to put his tail in her mouth so she could lift him. The foolish crocodile agreed. When he did, Mina held on tightly. As Ghapos turned to swim back into the river, he naturally began moving, pulling Mina along with him until they reached the other side. Mina let go and climbed a tree. "See, I threw you across. Now keep your promise." Realizing he had been outsmarted, or ashamed, Ghapos returned to the river and never bothered Mina again. Moral: wisdom and intelligence always outweigh brute strength.